Hi, today's video is regarding Epson XP4100, how to restore to the factory default settings. Now to restore it, for that the first step we need to do is to switch on the printer and wait for the display screen to come up. Go to the display panel and now we look for the setting, press OK, and here we go to the last setting that we can see here, that is restore default setting, and now press OK. Here we can do network setting and we can do other settings and note the network, or if we want we can do all settings. So we can do whatever setting we want, and to restore the default setting we can do all setting and press OK, and now we press yes, and then it will be done. So you will see it says the defaults are restored, and now we can reconnect it with the different devices and we can use it. Thanks for watching.